John Bolton, former national security advisor turned critic of President Trump, has surrendered in court, pleading not guilty to a sweeping indictment over classified material. The case deepens political tensions in the US. The details are explosive. Here is what you need to know. On Friday, John Bolton walked into the federal courthouse in Greenbelt, Maryland, and surrendered to authorities in response to a criminal indictment charging him with mishandling classified information. Moments later, he stood before a judge and entered a not guilty plea to all 18 counts laid out in the indictment. Despite the media presence, Bolton declined to comment as he entered the courthouse. The charges allege that Bolton emailed more than 1,000 pages of notes containing national security secrets to his wife and daughter, while also storing top-secret documents in his Maryland home. U.S. prosecutors claim some of these materials include details of covert U.S. operations, foreign adversary plans, and intelligence briefings. The indictment further suggests Bolton's private email was hacked by operatives believed tied to Iran, and that some classified information may have been exposed through that breach. Bolton is no stranger to Washington's Hall of Power. He served as Trump's national security advisor until 2019. And later published books sharply critical of administration. His critics have long viewed him as hawkish, with an uncompromising view of American strength abroad. This is the third major criminal case the Justice Department has brought against a Trump opponent in recent months. That fact has stopped accusation that legal power is being wielded off political tool, a charge Bolton himself leveled in a statement after the grand jury returned the indictment. Bolton's team quickly responded, insisting much of the case is built on his personal diaries and the internal documents, not new crime. They argue he did not unlawfully share or store classified data. His lawyers also contend that investigations into his record began long ago and were known to authorities. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi issued the forceful settlement in response, and I quote, "Anyone who abuses their position of power and jeopardizes our national security will be held accountable. No one is above the law," end of quote. This case cuts to the heart of Proud's question: how should former officials handle sensitive information once they leave office? The implications extend beyond Bolton. They touch on executive privilege, national security, whistleblowers' protections, and the rule of law in polarized time. Will Bolton's defense succeed in framing his actions as standard practice for long-serving public officials, or will prosecutors prove that classified protocols were breached?